trainers! Are you ready to change the way you deliver training sessions? Rolljak AI is here to improve audience engagement. Imagine tailoring your questions to a specific subject or theme of your training. Whether it's technical or soft skills development, Rolljak AI allows you to create questions that align perfectly with your training topics. With Rolljak AI, you can craft text-based questions that challenge your participants to think critically. The more details you provide in your text, the more targeted and engaging your questions become. Use this feature to stimulate thoughtful discussions and deep learning. If you have valuable resources online, use the URL feature to integrate external content into your questions seamlessly. It's a great way to bring real-world examples and external knowledge into your training. Have training manuals, case studies, or supplementary materials? Rolljak AI allows you to upload documents or PDFs directly, ensuring your participants engage with your training materials meaningfully. Whether you're conducting a team-building workshop, leadership training, or a technical skills session, Rolljak AI adapts to your training needs. With it, you can create diverse and engaging questions for every aspect of your training content. From theory to practical application, Rolljak AI is your versatile companion. Get rolling with Rolljak!